7, talk too early. Oh, Indaba, talking my business is into. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha.
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 pm.
Sekuleso sikhathi sokuthi sikhuluma ezomdavazo ezehlufhlufu ezomdlalo ezompiko yes ezasekhaya. I welcome my partner in crime. Cishe ngathi my sex partner.
You wanted to say my sweetheart, my sweet lamulomkhuhlane,
my sum.
Something good.
Something.
Yes.
And you all of that. Are you good?
Yes, I am good. Nezithandwa zethu emakhaya nazo. Hello.
All right, check this video out. Most of you like my socials and see with blue shirts and dokotela is got blue no navy. I sometimes I has a difference.
Yeah, you're colorblind.
You may show part navy, no blue then.
Cha phela navy strong like a strong coffee. You like
okay.
Black.
So for umlaleli nje obuka this video, this is navy. Because isizulu naso sibe confused, yes, because mayithi umuntu into ihlaza, angasho ukuhlaza sa the sky
or green.
Oh, green.
Yes.
Are you well?
I am too well, Alex, and how are you?
Oh, good. Use my umfana ngizikhuluma indaba green kuthiwa hey wena usuyisa sona masenda ahlaza.
Njengenkawu, yazi inkawu namahlenda ahlaza.
Yes, and so yazi yalida kamnandi indaba yethu kuthatha sikhuluma about transport matters, but now we're talking about the transport to someone's heart using umdavazo, hey?
Absolutely, that road to the heart.
Yes, just like the one when obuhambeleke the Midlands, there's a road to go
Richmond,
labasilungiselele
yona baka transport. Yeah, very nice. Hey, by the way, moya senge Richmond leba khaya emkhomazi. Bavula umgaqo kamnandi kanjani emoto sashayiseke, so they did a good job.
So nathi ke asivule umgwaqo ezansi.
Sisuse zonke izinto eziseceleni kushise lapha ya kube mnandi kushibile kungene kalula. Siyavula lo mgaqo.
The other version your transport yothando. Hey doc, abantu basebenzisa izinto eziningi to up game yabo la kwezomdavazo. Uzokuthiwa ama drinks lawa ane acid uphuza yona ayinkomo kuyayiqoqa zivusa induku abanye bezokutshela indaba ye mail mongekho familiar with this term email mawuhamba nje market uzoyifica email ilesipakpaka uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe 2 liter noma 5 liter okuyinsizwa echatha ngayo omunye ethi clinic olo you see and then uzofakwa nezinto ezishisayo njalo so let's just talk about leyo nto dokotela because abanye bathi yabasebenzela but abanye bathi kanti dokotela uzoyivuma yini ukuthi leyo nto inabo yini ubungozi just talk to us talk about leyo nto leyo ekutheni do things work to tighten the vagina ukuthi induku ime for isikhathi eside? Do those things esisebenzisayo zingena prescription ever work?
Zikhona ezisebenzayo zikhona ezingasebenzi Mthiyana, all right? But ngiyafuna ukuqala lapha ya kulezo mail nokuchatha.
Yes.
Because I feel ukuthi I'm responsible ukuchatheni ngoba nami ngiyachatha.
Right. Okay. Ngena kuzo.
Ukuchatha angene ne. Ukuchatha Mthiyana. Ukuchatha kuyasebenza. Okay? No matter ukuthi uchatha ngani, you know okwabanye kuba ngathi hey lo muntu othize ubangalala uchathe ngayo uqonso kunemithi yes ekwazi ukukusiza emzimbeni if usunenkinga.
Hayibo wazi ngisho namagama awo.
Of course ngiyayisebenzisa ngithi.
Yini ubangalala?
Khona ubangalala ubangalala uyakutshela ukuthi hey akulalo.
Ayisiboke ngizokhulunywa ngeyibushe and all of that. Okay, so noma amanzi phaqa.
Amanzi nje ewodwa Mthiyani because you know why? Ngesikhathi ukuchatha Mthiyani number 1 uyabona lana kuyithumbu lakho la ngaphakathi linezinto ekuthiwa ama receptors ngaphakathi. In fact, you know kuthina in medicine sike sisho ukuthi izifo eziningi ziqalaphi kumathumbu akho ngaphakathi kwi colon. So the minute waqala ukucleana ithumbu lakho ngaphakathi kuningi izinto ezivele zibe right ngempela. Hayi ngoba kuukuthi umuthi othize uthathe kubani amanzi nje ewodwa ngoba akwazi ukuthi afike lapho ayiclean le ndawo and ngesikhathi ayicleana leyo ndawo then kuyavuka endaweni ezithize. For example,
ngiyachatha ngoba ngifuna ukuhlanza iqolo usuke ekhuluma into eqiniso.
Oh, believe you me, uqinisile because especially iqolo the minute ungena inside your anus ungena lapha ngaphakathi kunasila sigubhane esilapha kuthiwa iCecum ngaphakathi kwena sengikhuluma udokotela ke lapho Alex. Kunama receptors lapho ama receptors amazambane akho amasende you know basically right there so once umuntu eqala echatha amanzi edlula lapho over and over kuleyo ndawo sikuyaqala useklina isidoda sakho useklina indawo zamasende useqala uklina izinso then iqolo seliqala ukuthi libe siyaluleka iqolo useqala so all these areas zihambisana nendawo ezithize ezikhona ngaphakathi kuwena kwicolon so the more ucleaner ngaphakathi then you end up reach ezinye indawo for example uyazi mina mengichatha umuntu ngimchatha you know even 50 liters 60 liters wamanzi adlula kuyena because ngisuke ngifuna ukuthi kudlule kuzona zonke indawo nezinama receptors you know kudlule endaweni kuyinhliziyo ngiclean inhliziyo ngiclean isibindi ngiclean izinto na yonke indawo emzimbeni so just ukuchatha nje ukoda especially ngezinto zocansi ngoba ama parts ocansi asondele kakhulu ngasembobeni lapha that is why noma umuntu enama piles kuvuvukele kungcolile lapha ayayishaya futhi induku
okay tick 1 yokuchatha is approved udokotela uthi yes iyasebenza ngaleke ukuthi kufakwe ziphi ithako but nje amanzi ewodwa now ladies then go to say ukuthi before kiwe kumdavazo bazophuza I drink le isoda bayobala ngamagama khona ke kuthiwa ayayibamba yabo imomozi ithule ithidu yes
now ngizokhuluma ngoba akhona ama drink abathi bayawaphuza kodwa empeleni ilento phakathi for example iginger iyakusiza umuntu wesifazane because what ginger does whether in fact owesilisa or wesifazane what ginger does egazini wena yenza igazi ukuthi ligijime so uyakuzwela ukushisa nomuntu ekuthinta ngaphakathi because igazi liyagijima and lisondele close to iskin sakho then uthi umuntu ekuthinta kancane nje ikitaza uzwele uyabo so iginger
ushukitaza ujwayelekile noma uzujukitazwa kobhontshisi kanje
uyapi kubhontshisi ngisajinja mina usukubhontshisi
wena nje utheze yakitazwa izinto all right so ginger wenza ukuthi manje ekuthinta uthi umnyaza
yes kube naloko but nopelepele by the way uyakwenza lokho upelepele uyakwazi ukuthi uvule imthambo uvule imizwa nje
wait uthatha upelepele ufake ngaphansi
cha phela uyawudla uyabona iginger uyifaki ngaphansi Alex uyayidla iginger so which is why
no we had to get that part clear mayikhuluma ngapelepele ungawushutheke ezansi please
ungasosho njalo ngoba kunabantu besifazane by the way sofika lapha intweni ebeshuthuka bez wrong njengo anyanisi uthola ukuthi umuntu usenuku anyanisi lapha ushuthe ku anyanisi ngoba afuna kushise lapha ngaphansi yes kuzoshisa kuwena but sofika lapho all right
okay
now kuleye acid mthiyani acid is a total no you know kuwena because one of the things the acid eyenzayo lapha ngaphakathi igcina isikwenza ushibilike kakhulu ube manzi
how
okay now why ngithi ngifuna ukucompare ukuthi ngithe iginger manje ungathi wena drink kanti abantu bakhuluma ngokuthi uyabona lokho ngoba sifuna ukusho amagama
okay ngicela uthole iginger not isiphuzo
esineginger ngoba sine acid futhi that ekugcineni kuzogcina le nto sikushaya ngoba uzogcina sokutlof
okay hey namhlanje sikhuluma ngezinto esisebenzisayo ezenza sishise ezibuyisa untomb'zodwa buye ndawonye ezenza induku idonse isikhathi eside ishabanisa amasende eyiklina iqolo and all of those things esithi sizenza ukuenhance iklof yethu talk to us about what you tried and ayizangisebenza or imfihlo yakho wena oyisebenzisayo mhlawumbe uyazi nawe as umuntu wesilisa ukuthi umuntu wakho ayisebenzi kuka nje or wena njengomuntu wesifazane awumtshela umuntu wakho 0861596596 now bengisazoza ke kule yokuthi some women say uanyanisi wenza ibe tight
sure
and no garlic talk to us about leon
look for both men and women garlic anyanisi good for both sexes you know but the only problem is ismell kuzomela wenze something ngoba bobabili labo baphuma lopha ngeziqu zoboya uyabona even if udlile raw and I've noticed abantu besifana abaningi bayudla raw anyanisi it will help you definitely but just be careful ukuthi sometimes ithi masudlile kakhulu uthi ukushaya ulamula kancane noma into ezifana no parsley you know uqhube nento enjalo that will then kill the smell because uphuma ngeziqu zoboya ukwabona kunabantu odla kakhulu ugarlic uthi usondele kuyena uze iziqu zoboya nje ukuthi hey kunalesa
so uyayiphasise ukuthi ukudla yes kuyaqinisa ezansi kodwa ke yenza short ungabe usunuka leyo
ungabe usunuka leyo nto kukhona abanye abagqumayo Alex ngezinto ezithize ngaphansi you know yes kunemithi thizeni ongayisebenzisa ukugquma lalela nami abantu besifazane ngiyabagquma lapha ngaphakathi if kunesizathu sokuthi ngenze njalo but don't do it too much ngoba yabo leya ndawo you know if wakhuluma intombazana ngabe uyazi ukuthi kuthiwe hey untombazane mshaye ngamanzi abandayo uyabona the more ulokumgquma yes immediately after kade umgqumile
Yes.
kuba nokuvuvukala wena uzwa ngathi uyavaleka uyaziyabuya inyama but
Kanti
it's
ufofokela.
immediately kade umgquma nenyama vele nawe noma ugquma ebusweni uyazibona ukuthi ubuso buyavuvukala nje kancane so naye untombizodwa the minute kade ugquma uba naloko akugcwala ufila ngathi wena ubuyile inyama
Yeah.
you know but as ukwenza more and more number 1 umzimba uzokujwayela lokugquma
Okay.
but over a while ugcina inyama sezidedela
Okay.
zingasabuyi
So what you saying ukuthi for umuntu wesifazane mawufuna ukuthi be tight vagina geza ngamanzi abandayo. Hey, njengoba kungena ubusika nje.
safundiswa lokho sakhula
But kuyasebenza kodwa?
yeah it does work in fact khona abanye athi if ukuthi usezoyocansini nomuntu azo afaka uayisi awuminca nje ngaphakathi ubamba uayisi wena ufike uyibona nje iqinile lapha yana inyama but at the end of the day ucansi mthiyana is not about ukuthi wena wenzele lo munye umuntu do it for yourself ngoba the minute sokubanda lapha yana noma ufaka ialarm abanye bafaka ialarm lalela ialarm yenza ukuthi wena ungezwa lutho yes inyama zizobuya shaqa but wena uyabona so at the end of the day yenza lento ukuthi nawe ukuthi enjoy the best thing to do is umzimba wakho wenze wona ukuthi ube healthy igazi lihambe kahle nenyama zibuye kahle zidedele zibuye ngoba inyama ufuna zibambe zidedele ngesikhathi esiright so that you zonke inyama nenyama zakhona lapha untomb'zodwa like if uchama inyama lapha untomb'zodwa ziyabamba zidedele ngaphakathi untomb'zodwa embobeni yangemuva if umuntu wesifazane nakumuntu wesilisa imbobo yes na umuntu wesilisa imbobo yangemuva nebase lapha yana yenduku konke kuyabamba kuyeke amasenda akukhuphuka yengenhla
I hear you.
Okay, you want me to stop?
Yes, I want you to stop. Right? Well, yizwa le umuntu wesifazane faka ama ice cubes la ngaphakathi. Shithi it's possible lento uyibona ama video kuthiwa ntshontsha inkukhu ifrizile bayishuthe ngaphansi. Baphume nayo nje futhi kungabe indaba zalutho. Igcwele injalo full chicken.
Ngithanda ngabantu besifazane.
Well, I've seen ama videos akho. Ngizothatha uBheka eNanda. Bheka, welcome to Gagas.
Yebo minjani mama?
It's right, kunjani kuwena Bheka?
Esikhona manje.
Sure.
Ngilalele la uhlelo la mthiyana.
Yes sir.
Udokotela ungibingelela kuyena.
Baba.
Yebo. Ngicela ukubuza la lento le yokudla clean kubantu besilisa ngabe usizo lungakanani mhlawumbe ngokwazi kwakho udokotela. Ngaphandle ukuthi kube khona izinto ozenza mhlawumbe ukuchatha ukwenzani. Ukudla nje ukudla ku clean.
Sure, kubaleke kakhulu, yabona umuntu wesilisa uzo exercise nje kukodwa lokho kwenza igazi ligijime liflow kahle liziclean futhi igazi likhiphe konke ungcolo khona kwehlika inyongo kwesiki iacid exercise nje not even kakhulu okuthiza ukuexercise but ukudla even more ukudla mina ngihlale ngithi ukudla kwesintu ke believe you me ngoba that is always the best ukudla ongakudla idumbe. You know, bheka idumbe Nkosi yami ulibheka ukuthi li shaped njenganani. Idumbe lifana exactly nesende. And believe you me, ngiyatshela idumbe is full with magnesium entweni ozozidla. Magnesium is the best for ukunyusa imizwa yakho but also le hormone kubantu besilisa okuthiwa i-testosterone. Le uthi usayingane enza ukuthi usamncane umfana induku ivuke manje but ezokhula iyaqala iyehle emzimbeni. But ukudla into ezifana namadumbe, ukudla into ezihlaza, obhontshisi, obanana, amakinati, iapple ulidle nesikhumba khona udlo fish uyabona if uzodla inyama ngihlala ngisho ke mina inyama lezi zijova ngemjovo enemjovo yabantu besifazane
so idla konke lokho kudla kunjalo
right but wehlisa amafutha very important ehlisa amafutha wehlisa iacid qinqo
uqinise nako bhontshisi
ayubhontshisi uqinise kubhontshisi yazo
all right sure siyabonga kakhulu if try that ubuyisinike feedback next week so open line 0861596596 this is Indaba eGagasini namhlanje sikhuluma ngezinto esizisebenzisayo ezishuthekwayo ezifakwayo just eziphakamisa ukuthi ihlofu ibe right ngikuvela nawe endwedwe sho vela
yebo ngiyabingelela Alex nodokotela
yebo baba
yebo mabodi
yabona Alex mfowethu ngifuna ukuncoma lo hlelo lemivusile imizi yamadoda impela besilengele emaweni
siyabonga kakhulu kwabeni
yebo
but asivuse nalo wakho kodwa
hayo owami Alex right ngoba iyalo veni lana kwigagasi ngiyayithatha ezinye ngiyibhale phansi uyabona nje into elikhona le
nginayo imeyili alifihla lapha ngombhedi before mama wamafika ngiyahamba ngiyochatha yabo yonke lento esho udokotela nje ngiyamaxoxoba ngiyenza kodwa udokotela iadvice ezothanda ukuthi ni advise abantu hayi odadewethu avele ukudla shemo sini kanti manje badla isinemfu isifana ngomdlavuza
iqiniso
so mawusho ukusidla usho basifaka ngaphezulu noma ngaphansi
basifaka la ngaphansi alesiba umakhosi
okay isinemfu
yes isinefu mthiyani empeleni ugwayi ogayiwe you know isinefu siugwayi ogayiwe
right
meaning lento egwayi ehlale sithi i-wrong which is nicotine ikhona lapha ya so ngesikhathi uyithatha wena ufaka ngaphakathi yes is because kuyisinefu sizokwenza imizwa uyabona and futhi siyashisa isinefu but also sigcina siyacabula isinefu sigcina sesibanga izilonda and definitely yes it can then lead to cancer kuleya ndawo lapha ya and I think kudala abantu mhlawumbe nomehluko qala yazi isinefu kudala abantu abadala babenza izinefu kwakuyinhlaba which was different to lento esisetshenziswa manje which is actually ugwayi rather than yebo kokuthiwa ugwayi phela ngoba yayibhenywa nayo kodwa kwakuyinhlaba before you know and manje sokugwayi.
Okay, so careful. Ladies, where are you? 0861-596-596. I'm going to the comments on Facebook, Indaba with Alex, and Twitter at Alex Mtiane. This show is not suitable for Ingane. Catch it on the app and watch it with YouTube channel, Yekakas. Indaba Kakasini, 0861-596-596. If you haven't heard, Doc and I are on TV now. Catch ezingavunyiwe on Mojo Love, channel 157. Conversation for now, Doc. Google to see Kuba. Now you can watch and
see
listen.
Us. Yes.
It's on Sunday at 10 p.m. and on Monday again at 10 p.m. So,
and the craziness continues.
Oh, all the way. So, listen to now you will see us, Doc and I, Mojo Love, channel 157. Ezocansi on Sunday.
#ezocansi.
Sure. Now I got my comments, Doc. Umalume Chris uthi amanzi nje amaningi ewodwa. Watermelon avocado kuvele kube ngathi uchathe ngembiza. So sebenzisana lezo zinto majita. Okay, wayizwa le?
In fact, avocado is very good uzoyidla umuntu wesilisa and watermelon by the way watermelon ikunento ekuthiwa L-citrulline phakathi egcina yenza into ekuthiwa nitric oxide le efana nokuthi usebenzise lamaphilisi lawa asezitolo so eating watermelon kakhulu will really
uyayazi lento akhuluma ngayo and then uSipho Ndaba ke uqhamuka nenye angle uzothi firstly umuntu akageze unuke kahle awunayo perfume nuka ke ilotion xubha amazinyo ushintsheke nalezi zangaphakathi bese kuzoshintsha ingubo zokulala and then bese zothi most importantly lento iya ngechemistry if amagazini ezwana umshubo wodwa usungachatha 20,000 liters kushisa izinqa but if chemistry better leyo nto ngeke isebenze I notice ukuthi there are 37 comments to this angazi noma bayamshaya noma bayamphikisa
unama issues kodwa yena and in experience embi you know
talk to me.
Yeah. I mean, at the end of the day, it can't be just about that. So, une experience thizeni yomuntu yena abontu lo muntu engagezi engawashi umphethe uyabona so that was his experience so it's not an experience ungahamba utshele wonke umuntu uthi yenzani kanje as if wonke umuntu akagezi uyazichamela uyanuka umphethe uyabona but that's his own experience asimshayi ngaloko but
it can't be general.
It can't be general. Futhi naye uzokuthola okright akakuthathe lokho kwenza kokurong akulahlele abheke okuhle then uzokuthola nayo okright.
All right, number 1. Ngifuna ukuthatha ke uZipho now from Enkandla 0861-596-596. Topic yethu namhlanje izinto esisebenzisayo ukuthi umdavazi ube right ezinye zazo inobungozi zine risk as well but iziphe ezinye that's what we are discussing. Sure Zipho sabona?
Alex udokotela ngiyaphi?
Sikhona ba.
Siyaphila bhuti njani?
Sibonge nje dokotela ukuthi uhlale eqinisweni ngoba linjalo. Ngenele ukuncoma indlela ohlala ngayo eqinisweni.
Yes.
Ngesikhathi thina izinto ezenziwayo kakhulu thina abantu semakhaya igcina zibukeleka phansi ngendlela engahlelekile udokotela ke uyasikhuthaza ukuthi asibuyele ukuthatha ake sibalekile kakhulu yazi mawe indoda.
Yes.
Kukhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi nathi
kwenzi okungekhona senza kepha okuyikhona khona nokuyilokhu esicabanga ukuthi sakhula kwenziwa muthi angeke size sibilahle. So ngiyabonga kakhulu udokotela.
All right. Siyabonga kakhulu nathi, right? And on this show we always encourage you to talk to us phela ngoseke advisor.
Yes.
Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu.
But also Alex, ukhuluma lento zasemakhaya kudala. Obaba kudala wenomuthi awaziyo nje ukuthi mezizwe ukuthi hayi angathi angizizwa kahle. Enehlanzi sakhe nomuthi wakhe nje thizeni owaziwayo ukuthi uzothatha agcobe lokhu nalokhu aqule, achathe ngako raphalaze ngako ngoba ezumzimba ukuthi angathi awukho right. All those things were preventative ekutheni kungagcini sokuba nenkinga.
Ungazuye enyangeni udokotela for that. All right, tabane my respect sure.
Yebo linjani Doc no Alex.
Right, kunjani tabane?
Siyaphila futhi. Ngifuna ukubuza la ngisebenzisa ama supplement. Ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi mhlawumbe angaba yini na umthelelo mhlawumbe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngicela mhlawumbe sengasawa induku yami mhlawumbe ingasasebenzi ngendlela
tabane
ama supplements akho la wethu banyuma ungalishonga igama awani lo ma supplement.
Isikhathi esiningi creatine.
No munga sawashonga like ukuthi awani wathathela ini?
From ama pre-workout.
Pre-working out.
Sure. Okay, ngiyabona. All right. Look, ama supplements kuya ngokuthi usebenzisa ini really, kukhona izinto ngisakhuluma ngalelo specific lo show kodwa bengakhuluma nje susowasha igama yebo but kukhona amanye agcina eseshaya izinto because for example uyabona if so odokotela si-checka umzimba wakho entweni ukuthi isibindi sakho sisebenza kanjani, izinto zakho sisebenza kanjani. Kunento ekuthiwa i-creatinine esiyi-checkayo, alright? Ngoba lento inezinga elithize okumele ibe yiyona ngaphakathi kuwena emzimbeni ongamelanga idlule izinga elithize. Now when you begin ukuthatha lezi zinto as extra zokubooster umzimba, it can end up ishaya lo balance leyo emzimbeni wakho ugcina ulokuba neqolo uthi hayi ukujima ongenza ukuthi iqolo lama ngathi ngaloku ngilule iqolo uyabona kanti sokuyiyona lento i-supplement yebo ithathe igama supplement kusho ukuthi uya-add. It's not only kuthathe ngalolanga ngoba ufuna uzibooster but ekugcineni the fact ukuthi uyajima already you doing into right for umzimba wakho ukuthi wona ukwazi ukuzenzela into normally lokumela ngabe uyayenza vele.
Ayazwakala ngoba phela ngisisa ukuba yikakapani ngisafuna ukuthatha umjovo.
Okay. All right. But ngezwe dokotela esho ethi the more amasela amabhayisephe enyuka ipipili yashobana.
Kodwa ngithi mase kumele kudlalwe liyaphuma ngithi lizodlala ngoba into ebalekile leyo.
Liyaphuma bandla lona.
Liyaphuma bandla lona. No man, usinike feedback but ukusebenza kanjani. Try that but be careful ngali ama supplement as you have been advised. All the best, eh?
Thank you Jabo.
Sure. And then there's uthumela tweet doc uthi cela ngiphehle igama lakhe. Ngicela ukubuza la. Uthi ubhiya unomthelela ngempela yini? Ngoba khona abathi liyawa abanye bathi ubhiya uqinisa induku.
Yebo ubhiya unomthelela kakhulu.
Now uthi unomthelela?
Yebo it does mthiyani.
Yes or no?
Yebo ongithi ngiyasho ukuthi linomthelela ubhiya ekutheni induku iwe finally.
Oh bengithi uthi ime.
No iwe not ime. Okay, now this is the problem. Abantu abaningi otholwa baneyinkinga yenduku. Abanye basobenganayo ngempela inkinga yenduku but usuke nenkinga yezinto ezimshaya engqondweni akazithembi insecure kwenzeka izinto kuyena uyazinyeza njalo ethi mase sephuza ubhiya hayibo abe don't care uyabona then engqondweni yakhe azibona ukuthi hey man nguSuperman mina ngenza nyoma yini mase kuvele kuyenzeka lonto because uyakhumbula ucansi liqalaphi qala engqondweni uqala and what you believe. Now ubhiya again ubhiya uyi-acid so the same things that decision nge-acid ukuthi zigcina umthelelo wayo later. I-acid mthiyani nyoma yiphi ukuzwe nawe umuke wayiphuza i-acid uzwe amalebe ngisho ama-lips ngisho umlomo emlomeni wakho uzwe ngathi uyatshabuka uyabo angithi ukuthi muyiphuzile uzwe la ngaphakathi emlomeni wakho muthi ngolimi uzothi hayi angathi nginokutshabuka nyana because it does that iyakushisa ngaphakathi ke even worse kugcine imthambo yakho ngesikhathi isha iba nokuvuvuka kancane mase iya bambana uyabona then igcina siyiblock imthambo uthola ukuthi une acid eningi baningi abantu othola ukuthi thaba no BP banani kanti inkinga iacid iningakhulu emzimbeni idinga ukukhishwa ngoba ijisa nanegazi kuvuleke imthambo now ubhiya yes definitely it's an acid but ngingasho ngoba khona abantu bathi wine yeah red wine is better uyabona effect but yonke into in moderation let's wajabula mengisho leso but yonke into in moderation but yes I red wine ama research enzekile ukuthi ikhona ama benefits ayo but obviously not too much
sure so the next time ke sizokhuluma ngomnanti ke le yesizulu umqombothi mhlambe nesiqatha kanje
oh yes lalela because amalebe futhi ama imthombo yamabele zonke lezo zinto they are very good Mthiyane so but sokhuluma ngako ngelinye ilanga so utshwala besizulu is actually much better uyabona especially if kuukuthi kwenziwe ngalendlela ukuthi impuphu nemthombo yombili nemthombo yamabele it's very natural akufakiwe lutho akufakwa ngo yeast akufakwa ngo izijindani nani
kuvusa mnumzana
it's good for your body asingakasho kumnumzana but yonke into that is good for your body Mthiyane is good for the whole body including unumzana
so nawe ke umuntu wesifazane awuthi ushaya isizulu usishaye ngalendlela then uzoba right so ngiyakubona namhlanje ukuthi amalebe awaphele emlonyeni wakho what is your problem
amalebeni phela umlomo amabela yithi amalebe
ukhuluma ngamalebe ukhuluma ngamabele namabele nawe ayangena khona la okay I think at this point sidinga ukubamba nje ikhefu kancane ulalela indaba sikhuthaza lo hlelo lalelo zingane in fact siyacela ukuthi kulalelwe ama over 18s kuphela this is Gagasi Indaba yaqhubeka with doc sikhuluma indaba yemdavazo ihlofhlof and 0861596596 all right kuna comment evela kunathi ngoba sikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi wasiyongilahlekela dodela ngisakutholi
oh I'm right here
ngithi ngiyaphutha nje ngikuboni angisakutholi ngiyasifaka
just feel me you don't need to
I'm trying
just feel
oh
me.
there you are now ngikubambile sure unathi ke uthi ngiphuza u2 liter wamasi ngiuqede bese ngiyajima egcekeni ngiround noma ka6 right
ama round
ushama round as in push-ups yes and then usefaka emoji yakhona ke le eggplant so imake doc so u2 liter wamasi yazi ayikho ke wakhuluma ngamasi nobisi
well those are dairy products njengo abanye o cheese or yogurt so yeah they would have an effect now
okay
yeah
all right and for umuntu wesifazana ke because okuningi kwakho uzwa kuthiwa makinati cheese yogurt and all of that
yes even nayo umuntu wesifazane same you know amaqanda izo zonke lezo zinto because Mthiyane it's not as if lezo zinto zisebenza kwinduku in particular but they work on your overall ukusebenza komzimba
uyabona
so nakuyena umuntu wesifazane definitely kuyasiza except kunezinto that generally you know but obviously lokungisuke ngisho kubantu like abazali abazama ukuzala kunokudla okuthize that I end up saying hey wena ngoba ufuna ukumitha ungakudla okuthize
but amaqanda
yeah sure
okay uyazi ukuthi next time fanele sikhulume ngezinto okumele uyiavoid eziwukudla ezingenza ukuthi imizwa ishone phansi
sure
yes ngoba earlier on dokotela konke oke wayisho earlier ukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi intombazane idinga ukugezisa ngamanzi abandayo uyabo njalo ezikhuthala so ukhona manje ama products akhona steamer ngento ukuthi nokuthi ngeke ngwabale ngamagama so manje women are going to be confused ukuthi lento is supposed to rejuvenate and tighten untomb'zodwa ngokuyistima so we must be careful
just be careful Mthiyane yonke into in moderation kwenze ngoba kuukuthi khonto ofuna ukuyenza for example if ustima ngoba untomb'zodwa wakho ukhipha kakhulu uketshezi or ukhipha le discharge engathi yamafinyila njalo then it's good ngoba ukugquma lapho kuleyo ndawo lizokwenza ukuthi untomb'zodwa wakho akukhwehlele konke lokho kuphume uyabona so ukwenzela isizathu esithize uyabona but not ukuthi ukwenze njalo every day ngoba uthi ngiyafuna ukuprevent something or ngifuna ukuphila ngoba it ends up having a adverse effect you know njengehlahla umhlonyane by the way umhlonyane is also very good ukuthi ugqume ngawo lapha for untomb'zodwa wakho amongst many things rosemary kunento opheka ngazo ama herbs njalo they are good but ngoba kunesizathu esithize ozama ukuthi to take care of not ukuthi njalo abanye usawote kancane ufaka sawote kancane emanzini you know ugquma ugxamalaze but not always
0861596596 ngithi ngibamba anonymous eThekwini hello
Yawuzana.
Sure, masi, njani?
Nizani phela Alex na dokotela.
Sikhona baba.
Sure.
Yebo. Bengisacela usizo lana ngoba nenkinga ngazi sikwenzakalani since kade kahle. Mina nje ngumuntu oshisa chama kahle mengenza uchatha. Yebo. Ngaze ngayibona ngathi nenkinga nga-end up umuntu osethenga mhlawumbe amaphilisi ukuthi hambe ngenze ucansi kodwa ngingazi ukwenzakalani ngizama mhlawumbe ngithamba noma ngizama uqomo kodwa hayi ungazi ukuthi kumele ngenzeni ngoba nange-date ngithi hlezi ngithi ngizama ukuthola udokotela ukuthi ukebe le ndawo yonke indawo nge-date ngenza ikholi kwathiwa nje before ngibona udokotela mhlawumbe kodwa kumele kube khona imali engiyikhiphayo lapho 2000 yabona le nto kanjalo before ukuthi qale wenze izinto yabo angazi kwenzakalani yabo
okay
ngingami leyo
imanjalo ke awuthi yami because usheshe uchame ugcina usuthatha amaphilisi
yebo indaba sekungezinto kanjalo wonke
yeah but ayakusebenzela uma wathathile
yebo basebenza wona
okay yeah abantu abaningidodela
ikhona ukuthi yena angisandi ukuthi kuqhubeke kanjalo bonke
awufuni ukudependa kuwona kodwa
exactly.
Okay no yezwakala
yeah lokho definitely kuyiqiniso ngoba ugcina only umzimba wakho so responda ngoba uthathele liphilisi okusho ukuthi egcineni umuntu olala nomuntu wakho iphilisi akuwena ngoba lingekho iphilisi wena ukwazi ukuperform now ukushesha ukuchama almost always yes kungenzeka ukuthi kunenkinga kwimthambo yakho ethize or igazi lakho lijiyile so it noma iphakama induku shesha idedele ngoba nawe kuthiwa phakama isinto esinda uzoshesha uyidedele uyabona or kunokuvuvuka lokhona into zo prostate njalo kodwa most of the time Alex why ngithi umuntu ngifuna ukuhlala naye eqala so that I know where the problem is ngoba many a times kakhulukazi ukushesha ukuchama kusuke kunento esengqondweni psychological ekubangile lokho so even before ngizothi ngiyaclean imthambo yakho yenduku ngichathe ngigqume ngikwenzeni ngifuna ukuhlala nawe phansi and first find out ngoba ngingacleana ngigqume ngikwenzeni but if kuukuthi kunento esengqondweni yakho psychological that is actually causing lama problems kuwena ngizokwenza izovuka ngasosikhashana emva kwenyangana futhi yehle
I like that impetho suphendulekile siyabonga ngithusile yazi mawuthi ngifuna ukuhlala nawe phansi as if manje uzokuthi ulibamba kancane uthi hey wena awufuni ngane uthi ulinyakazisa kancane well but you udokotela you can do that
of course
just ulibamba
but you know Alex unto I understand when you know when abantu beza kumina as patients
besilisa
abesilisa basuke bengacabangi nanokuthi lento yocansi yakhe into yobumnandi nokuboost usuke nenkinga kwangampela uyabona and lo muntu edunga usizo ngaleso sikhathi so engacabangi noma elikhiphe ngibonisa ukuthi hawu dokotela libuka ukuthi lincane kanjani or whatever usuke ngoba efuna ukuthi ngibone khona ngizomsiza not at all laphela amahloni but also I think nami ngiyamenza umuntu afeel comfortable ngokuthi hey lento into engiyaziyo and uyabo so that umuntu angazinyezi but ekwazi ukuthi akhuluma gonyuluko ngampela ukuthi yenze njani induku iyavuka iwe emothi ungena ngaphakathi kumama iyafinyela njalo
ngeke ungibone ngiza cabanga picture me dokotela
Alex kanti uyazi ukuthi
sithi sizoqala ishow nje next time uvela ungishaye nje ngelikhulu ihlaya leli singaliqala uhlelo ngivele ngibona
yabona kube kuwena ushayayo kube kuwena lalela mthiyani ngikhuluma ngepipi the whole day ngoba umsebenzi wami amapipi angafani amanye ngiwabheke uyabona so the last thing engifuna ukuthi ngithi mase kuyisebusuku intambama or ngisekhaya ngikhumbule angiyikhumbuli ipipi lomuntu sengisho ngikhumbule noma ngahlangana nawe kade ngilibambile ipipi lakho but angikhumbuli eliphi kuyilakho leli pink leli blue eliphi
ngicanti nje kuseni when you wake up in the morning doing breakfast it's sausages and then uthi yalo ngikhumbuza leya patient sure I think that uzabe fine town 0861596596 No, asikhulumi ngamapipi today. Sikhuluma about the things esizenzayo ezenza umdavazo ushise, ezinye zazo inobungozi, ezinye zincike kwi diet. We have a talk. Lihlelo is not suitable for ingane. Zama?
Hello, Sanibonani studio.
Hello, Zama.
Yebo ninjani?
Siphilile sisi njani wena?
Ngiyaphila dokotela unjani?
Yes baby girl, ngikhona right.
Right, umkhohlane nje kuphela. Hayi wangichatha kudokotela last year.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ake sizwe.
Nomuntu wami.
Yes.
Kwavele kwami take.
Hayibo. Okay, man, naniyele ukuyochatha nje no you too.
So clean kahle waqala yena then ngalandela.
Okay. So kahle hle wena lento ishoyo unikeza testimony ukuthi yonke lento ebishiwo layo ukuthi uclean nokuchatha kuyenza ukuthi umdavazo ube right.
Yebo kakhulu. But now sengikhulele nginenkinga ke. I-sex drive yami ayisayikhona nasiqaleni kahle angisathandi ke ecansini and kubhlungu noma kuthiwa siyazama but nje hayi
Make baby girl ingane yakhe yokuqala yini?
Eyesibili.
Oh, eyesibili and le yokuqala okade uyithola bengasona isikhathi eside before.
So because it's 10 years now.
So kuna 10 years. Yeah, sometimes kuyenzeka ukuthi if uke wama isikhathi eside ube nayo lento yokuba protective ngaso isisakho, but also sithandwa sami akona wonke umuntu wesifazane othi memithi alithanda ucansi khona ngempela uthola ukuthi uyaliswa indoda yakho ungafuni ukuthi akuthinte, but awungitshela if uzithinta wena whether uyageza or nje ukubuka into enhle kuyenzeka ukuthi izwe imizwa ivuka.
Before yenzeka but since nje ngakhulela hayi no akusenzeki angisathandi kahle.
Look ungaziforce during this time but ekhuluma no husband wakho umenza understand mhlawumbe umnikeza iblow job ngelinye ilanga kuze naye phela kwazi ukuthi azikhulule, but take izinto njengo folate ama vitamins njengo folate, some iron and omegas, izinto nezokubooster nje umzimba, drink ginger teas, izinto healthy ezokwenza nje ukuthi igazi lakho liflowe kahle. Sometimes lento ihambisana nestage nesikhathi esike sithi trimester yokumitha kwakho kuthi mase kudlulile leso sikhathi kuvele kubuye futhi, uyabona. So just try and be then understand your body, but also wenze upartner wakho ukuthi naye understand.
All right.
Sure.
Okay. Congrats.
Thank you.
Baby made illusion.
Oh, of course you can say that. Sure. Indaba Kakasini 0861596596 and before there is a comment evelala ku elihle. I've learned that knowing your partner's weak spots helps. Also stimulating their body first gives a great sensation. You also have to be open-minded to try new things, introduce sex toys, lubricants, massage sessions, foreplay and dress up. Keep the bedroom spicy.
Oh yeah.
Not only that, but prepare meals that are aphrodisiac. Oh sure.
Hey, yeah.
Right.
And then oysters.
Uthi izo release the endorphin.
Endorphins endorphins ilama hormones lawathi agcine nakwenza ukuthi feel good like
jabulile nje.
Yabona nje like nawe nje wadudla idumbe nje Alex ukuthi yabona nawe ufeel like.
All right.
Yeah.
So yesathu story sakhe.
Yeah.
No. Thank you so much wena elihle. Siyaqhubeka nohlelo. All right, lolu hlelo likhona siyabonga for watching the videos ku YouTube channel Kakasi FM. And ubuke namanye ama previous shows because azovela khona la and ungalalela futhi na ku app Kakasi FM but just a reminder nje ukuthi lihlelo is not suitable for izingane. Ngizothatha uBia from Enanda, uBia abandayo. Shosho Bias.
Good Alex.
Is it right kunjani kuwena Bia?
Hayi ngiyaphila njani dokotela?
Sikhona Bia.
Soqala ngokubonga nje uhlelo imizi yabo nje manje uyigcina uzofuna ngisho ukushada.
Wow mfowethu.
Wow, well done. Siyabonga
mfowethu. Sure.
The aim yethu by the way leyo kuyona ukuthi simisa imizi. Yes.
Of course.
Nakho ke mina nje uku-experience ukukhona ngifuna ukushare nengifuna ukubuza like mina dokotela ngumuntu othandayo ukuthi izinto njengemithi ezile ukuchatha ngihambe ngoyikhelele ehlathini ngiyanisele mina ngiyibilisele bese ngiyachatha ngiyona nginemeyini manje mhlawumbe abukhona umngozi lapha ekutheni mhlawumbe uzozilento yibilisa mhlawumbe bese uyifaka kakhulu mhlawumbe yabo mhlawumbe igcine kudalela ama-side effects ngaphakathi khona ukuthi isizulu nje oyikhili nje efresh.
Yeah. Look, kuhle if kuukuthi imithi uyayazi. Uyabona uyikhe ngokwazi ukuthi lo kumele ngithi impande yawo lo igxolo layo lo ama leaves ayo enokuthi isetshenziswa kanjani uyabona. So ukuthi uzenzele wena you know kukhona ngoba inama side effects by the way nayo and ingaka affect kakhulukazi izinto igcina sekubulala khona imithi for example nje kade ngikhise enye ingane izolo umhlakuva yabo umhlakuva very good entweni eziningi
okay mama uthathe ngikhise enye ingane bengicanda ushuthi like
noma ngamkhisi bengimuthawukhe
yeah okay
lapha eMedilution you know sutshalile
okay
umhlakuva is good for so many things whether ama leaves ayo stem sayo but kukhona ngesikhathi istage esithize salowo muthi la uthola khona ama seeds ayo wasebenzisa icover le ama seeds it's almost deadly ungafa lokho ukuthi fi so kunama parts ayo imithi othola ukuthi ayinkinga kakhulukazi yabona emithini uthola ukuthi imithi inezinto ezihlabayo whether ama thorns or ama fruits ayo ayahlaba ubokwazi ukuthi kukhona into leyo muthi eyiprotectayo which is good so ikhonto very right ngayo but at the same time that is why umuthi ukwazi ukwenza okuhle nokubi you know that's why kunomuthi okuthiwa uyathakatha ngawo kodwa lona futhi uyageza ngawo because umuthi ke nguthi uqoke kanjani ukwazi ukuhlanganisa njalo njalo so it's very important ukuthi umuthi wesiZulu usetshenziswe umuntu onolwazi lawo
right sure
but yasebenza
okay
yes
all right sure man I'm already thinking of a pineapple
yeah
uhlaba kanjena nje nawo nakho kuba acidic
uyahlaba
not ukuhlaba phela lokho ukuthi
ayangishonga ukuthi okuphi
okay adade bathi respect hello
ninjani bhuti
it's right mntababa nangu nodokotela la
ngibulise udokotela
yebo baba
kanjani izodokotela nakhuluma ngezinto ezisiza usamadoda lana nginenkinga dokotela wami mayelana nepipi lami la ngikhatha nomama la alithi kwaphela inyanga esithathu bengithatha kancane lento ngachatha ngiphuza imbizo kodwa alivuki
yakophoza
lithi uma livukile kodwa mase ngithi ngiyawuqala ngalo asheshe lifinyela liqedi
look isikhathini esiningi if lenze njalo liyashesha ukuchitha usho ukuthi liyavuka liqine
alifiki kwakufika nje kuthini
so lenze njani liyavuka kuba ngathi lizovuka mase vele liyafinyela futhi
yebo kuba ngathi liyavuka sengithi ngiyawuqala umdlalo lelale ikhathalele phathi ukuthi ningavuki inhlobo nje imiphele yinayo umkami endlini
look baba zingaba ziningi izathu but kodwa mhlambe if sesinawe sixoxa kabanzi ngakwazi ukuthola isizathu but just off the cuff izinto ezifana neBP number 1 owenza leyonto kanti kunemithi ethize futhi yayo iBP futhi egcina siyibanga leyonto izinto othola ukuthi kuthiwa unamafutha egazini o cholesterol kuyayibanga leyonto so ukuthola ukuthi yazi kunabantu abangazi banoshukela bele thina siba checker ezodokotela kuthiwa hayi ushukela wakho 4.5 5.1 right kanti unoshukela ocashile ugcina suku affect now kuwena but lento is only 3 months isaseduze incane lento uzokwazi ukuthi uyilungise ngokusheshsha ngingathanda ukuthi uzothatha inamba yami la igcineni kuze sicheck ukuthi yini ekubangelile sikwazi ukuthi sikusize then yobuye usifonele ngelinye ilanga la eredweni usitshela ukuthi kufika ufila kanjani kuhambe kanjani
okay no sikufisela enhlanhla mfethu then zandile tweets. When I prepare food, I make sure that I feed my man a lot of watermelon. Well, a dick tastes very nice thereafter.
Watermelon.
So
yes, I guess akhuluma ngayo obviously watermelon.
So is a taste njengayo, yeah? Alright.
Lalela ngikhuluma ngepineapple ngangahlangana nabanye abantu besifazane bengayidli pineapple kanje you know ngoba bathi hey imomozi ivela inuku pineapple avele dakwe ngena nje yazivela ipineapple yenza utshwala
yes so yabo ezize izinto and kunobuqiniso lapha dokotela
yeah that's true
yeah ngoba ngempela pineapple wenza utshwala
yeah
sure asedla ngezwe nawo shosha sipha
baba sohlazi
lensizwa lena ke doc igijima marathon iscore iqukula insimbi 7 days a week
uyiscore but megijima marathon kushuthi une cardio right he can go on the extra mile
uyakuhleka because uthi unfortunately akunjalo
sikudlala ngosicha
Shospa
ngiyabonga sobona dokotela
yebo baba
number 1 ngicela ukuqala nginqoma ukuthi uhlelo lolu lwenu ngiyalalela kakhulu uma lungigejile ngiba na YouTube nama podcast. So siyabonga indlela enilenza ngayo at some point in time sike sisola ukuthi hayi mhlambe ngale behind the scenes khona kwenzakalayo uma sesingaboni ngoba niyakwazi ukuthi nisithathe nisibeke kusho Alex bekhuluma ngokulithinta ethi ungalithinti kakhulu udokotela ngoba ungithinta kakhulu niyasenza ukuthi isithombe emqondo sikwazi ukubona ukuthi ngathi yenze hambe bese siyakhona ukuthi sirelate mhlambe kwabanye bethu kuba lula nokuthi begcine bekwazi ukushiya inkinga zabo njengomfowethu uceda kuphuma la so siyabonga kakhulu kulo part le
sure siyabonga mfethu
bese ngicommente njengomuntu sport fanatic mina dokotela ngiyagijima njengoba alebesho ngenza ama aerobics ngiyajima nje ama sessions engwenzisa online as well so what I've noticed ngabanye abantu khona nje umusanda usisekede ngimjimisa usanda kungitshena ukuthi use pregnant manje so ne performance yomzimba ngibanga ukuthi iyashintsha mangabe umuntu ejim especially manizojima noma ineo ama partners niyakwazi ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi ni enjoy isex futhi ibe sezingeni eliphezulu
for sure angithi phela Mthiyane suke negazi seligijima lapho uyabona already the heart is racing so uyaqedela nje uyoqedela ngale so
right no nice one
was good
okay good Indaba Gagasi let me invite you to send your voice notes and testimonials and if mhlambe ukuthi thumbs down please feel free to do so 078 934 2728 siyabuya right I did invite your voice notes Gagasi. Hello.
Siyabonga emsakazweni Gagasi, siyabonga kakhulu sesibuya khona emedolishini, siyabona umehluko ngendlela udokotela siphethe ngayo, singoba siyiprocess ukuthola abantwana.
Siyabingelela emsakazweni nje umama eseshilo ukuthi siyiprocess ukuthola abantwana. Engikuthandile ngodokotela ukuthi akaqhamuke senqamulele ekutheni uthola umntwana unika ama medication. Kodwa nje uqala phansi akline ekuqala, bese yonke into iqala from lapho sekuya phambili, ngokuthi seklinile.
Mina ngufuna kwakhe Ndlovu le Richmond ngafika le medication nginenkinga inyawo zazibhlungu ngakwazi ukuhamba ngihambela kumama kodwa ngathi sengiphuma khona la sengixoxa ngiphuma kudokotela wangitshela ukuthi uzophuma usuzambela wena la nangempela ngaphuma sengiza ngiyacela ocela ufuna ukusizakala angazi le medication basiza kakhulu nabasebenzi bakhona banabomnandi bakhuluma kamnandi mase bekwenza izinto zakhona bona izinto ezenziwa khona phela hayi baphatha kahle kakhulu ngibonga kakhulu nami
all right kuya ngobugagu bomuntu la
hey yabo
sure. All right, we've come to the end of this conversation. And please do send me your topic suggestions. Obviously, based on questions on our officer pendulege, gumbe your experience. Email indaba@gagasi995.co.za. I'm on YouTube, yes, under Gagasi FM. So itola le video hlelo, and then Instagram and Twitter, Alex Mthiyane, and on Facebook, Indaba with Alex. Doc, siyabonga ukuthi ube nathi namhlanje. How do we get hold of you then?
Medilution is where I'm at. Number zethu 031-765-8475 la eThekwini, and the cell phone number 061-4622-945. Richards Bay 035-760-1569. Siyachatha siyaqhuma sikhipha inyongo senza zonke lezi zinto ezenza umzimba wonke nje uvuke uthi va vu
nazo ke. All right, Dr. Mthembu, my partner in crime. This brings us to the end of the show. Just to remind you again, you can catch ezingavunyiwe now on Mojalav channel 157 la uzosibona khona no Doc senza khona lokho esiqhubeka ngakho. The show idlala on Sunday and Monday ngo-10 p.m. ibizwa ngokuthi ezingavunyiwe hashtag leyo futhi ungayisebenzisa
ezingavunyiwe on Indaba njalo ngo-7 kuya ku-8 p.m.